This is really, really hood. I did it again. Good evening, y'all. It's Red as the Can back with another video. Today we're gonna try to make high protein, low carb coconut cake. Have I made it before? No. Do I know how it's gonna look? No. Do I know how it's gonna taste? No. But I have never made a bad anything. So I think it's still gonna be good. Today's ingredients are very easy. We got unsweetened coconut flakes. You can see that. Some low carb cottage cheese. You guys know I love cottage cheese, and I'm gonna run for this. You know, fake vanilla extract, whatever. Sweetener, we're gonna use monk fruit, and I'm gonna add in some almond flour because I want it to have like the cake texture, you know. And 1 egg. I'm just gonna use the egg white from this egg because I stay away from the yolk. Reason why? Because of cholesterol. So I'm gonna put everything. I'm gonna put the egg and the cottage cheese in the blender, blend it up real quick. And hold up, guys, I got y'all. Alright, so let's blend this up. So this is half a cup. I'm probably gonna use like 1 cup of cottage cheese, which is basically all of this. So we're gonna put all of this in there. Alright, now let's crack the egg. And remember, I'm gonna use the egg white only. But for you, you can use the whole egg. Let me put this somewhere so I can catch the yolk. Perfect. Alright, I think I'm gonna add a drop of vanilla extract in here because it's part of the wet ingredients. Why not? That's good. Alright, let's blend this up. Another easy recipe. Won't take long. Like I said, I've never made it, but we're gonna try it. Alright. Okay, now that it's all blended up, let's put it back in the bowl. Alright, so I decided to also add in some Greek yogurt. I'll probably add like 3 tablespoons. So let's add that. Because if I'm gonna make it high protein, might as well, right? Add all the protein in there. I might also add in some protein powder. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. I should blend this, but it's fine. Alright, let's mix this up. All good. Now let's add the sweetener. I'm gonna add the sweetener, and then I'm gonna add the almond flour, and then the coconut flakes will be the last piece. So let's add some monk fruit to this. Taste it for your own sweetness of it. Some people like things sweet, some people don't. So, you know, mix it up and then taste it to see if it's your liking. Let's see. Let's mix this up. Like I said, I have never made this. I was just sitting there. I was like, I'm craving something coconut, you know? So let me see if I can make coconut cake, but healthy and also protein. So I don't feel guilty, you know, when I eat. I don't eat sweet that much, but you know, sometimes here and there, I want sweets. Add a little bit of almond flour. I'll probably add half a cup for this one as well too. So let's see. Half a cup. Give that a little mix. Alright. Last but not least, the coconut flakes. Let's add that. I don't know how much I'm adding. I'm just scooping it, and add as much as you want. It's on sweetened coconut, so it's all good. Okay, give that a little mix, and then I'm gonna find something to put it in. I don't have the aluminum foil baking tray that I had last time when I made the cheesecake, so I'm gonna have to figure this out. But it's Reggie. I always figure it out. So let's see. Alright, couldn't really find anything, so I'm just gonna use a pan. I rubbed it down with some butter so it doesn't stick. So I'm gonna pour this in, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. So preheat your oven to 390. That's what I have it on right now. And I think probably gonna bake it for like, I would say 30 to 40 minutes, maybe. Or whenever you see it gets brown, golden, you know? All right, so let's see. All right, I got it in the pan. I'm gonna just put a little bit more coconut flakes on top and then put it in the oven. It is coconut cake after all. All right, that's really good. All right, so it's going in the oven. Remember, I told you guys 390, and I will bake it for about 30 to 40 minutes, and we'll see how it turns out. Let's see. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for. I just took it out, and I'm gonna do the toothpick test. Sorry for my hands again. Okay, nothing on it. Looks good. Kind of blurry, but yeah, it's good. All right, so I'm gonna give this a try. So let's see. I did it again. This is so good. You guys should give it a try and let me know what your thoughts. Give it a like, subscribe, and comments below. I'll see you guys next time when I think of something to make randomly again. All right, bye guys.